How to replace the graphics card. Before you begin, remove the speaker mesh, display panel, and heatsink. Removal. Note: the thermal grease should be cleaned off of the graphics card before removing the graphics card. Remove the 5 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the graphics card to the back cover. Carefully lift up the graphics card, disconnecting the connector on the graphics card from its connector on the motherboard. Remove the graphics card. Replacement. Note: make sure to align the connector on the graphics card with the corresponding connector on the motherboard. Place the graphics card into position on the back cover and insert the graphics card connector into its connector on the motherboard. Replace the 5 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the graphics card to the back cover.